Did you ever think of running Linux inside an Android smartphone without a root? This is a Linux desktop running on an Android device, and this is GIMP and Blender running inside Linux, and everything is running on top of Android. Hey guys, my name is KS Kiral. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and run Linux on any Android smartphone or tablet using Andronix. Let's get started. Keep in mind, running a Linux desktop inside an Android smartphone or tablet cannot be used as a daily driver. It's just an experiment and works fairly well with most of the Android devices. The only requirements of this video: you need an Android smartphone or tablet running Android 8.0 or higher. A minimum of 8 GB of free space is left on the internal storage. Installing Linux on an Android smartphone or tablet is only possible with an application called Andronix. Andronix lets you install a Linux desktop on any Android device without the need for a root. It uses a proot to run your favorite Linux distribution. Now, anyway, go to the Play Store and search for Andronix and download this application. Now, along with that, you need to download an application called VNC Viewer. Just go ahead and install it. Next up, open your favorite browser, then go to this link and download the F-Droid. Now, using F-Droid, we can download a Termux, a terminal emulator for Android. To get the latest version of Termux, you need to have F-Droid installed on your Android device. Now, once the F-Droid is done downloading, go ahead and install it. Now, open F-Droid and wait for some time to finish updating the repositories. Now, this should take some time. Please be patient. Now, once it's done, using a search bar at the bottom, look for an application called Termux. Just go ahead and install it. Now, these are the three applications you may end up downloading. Place them somewhere on your home screen for easy access. Now, open Termux and wait for a few seconds to complete setting up. Now, you can see a prompt that is waiting to type something. Now, using this, we're going to install Linux distribution. Now, open Andronix. Now, inside here, you can find both modded and unmodded Linux distributions. At the bottom of an application, you can find an option for modded OS. Now, as you can see, these are the Linux distributions that are optimized for Android devices. It also supports KDE Plasma Desktop, and you need to pay around $2 to get this modded OS. For demonstrating this video, I would choose to pick the free version of Linux. Now, keep in mind, all these Linux distributions support XFCE, LXQT, and LXDE desktop environments. For the window manager, it supports Awesome, i3, and OpenBox. You can also install a non-GUI version of Linux. For now, I'm going to pick Ubuntu, then pick the version, which in this case, I will select 2004 LTS and tap on Install. Now, choose the desktop environment or window manager. I will select the XFCE desktop over here. Now, the bash script will be copied to the clipboard. Then head over to the Termux and paste this command. Now, simply hold anywhere on the screen, then choose Paste. Now, press the Enter key on the keyboard. It will start downloading Ubuntu with the XFCE desktop. Please make sure you have connected to the internet. Now, meanwhile, if you see any prompt on the screen, choose the defaults by pressing the Enter key. Now after some time, you may see this message to set up the geographic location. Just go ahead, follow the on-screen instructions and set up your location. Now choose the keyboard language. Now I'm going to pick English US, and the key for that is 31, and the layout will be English US. Now once it's done downloading and setting up Linux on an Android smartphone, it will start running the VNC server at port 5901 on the local host. Go ahead, set the password, then choose the resolution that you need. Once it's done, now open VNC Viewer. Then at the bottom right, tap on the plus button. Now type the address exactly like this. And name it as whatever you fancy. Then tap on it to connect to the VNC server. Now type the password you set. And boom, it's connected to the VNC server, and you can see the XFCE desktop environment of Ubuntu. Now you can control the UI through the touch screen, and the better way to control the Linux on Android device is by connecting the Bluetooth keyboard and mouse. Now let's open the terminal and see the version of Ubuntu. Now as you can see, it's running the latest LTS release as of now. Now along with that, you can install most of the GUI apps like Firefox, GIMP, Blender, and everything works fine. For some reason, if I play a video from YouTube, the audio has malfunctioned, and there is a workaround for that, but as of now I could not manage the audio to make it work. If in case anyone knows how to fix it, comment down below. Now once it's done, you're working with Linux desktop, you can disconnect from the VNC server. Then head over to the Termux and run this command to stop the VNC server on ports 1 and 5901. Now you can type exit to create Ubuntu. Now if you type ls, you can list out all of the Linux distributions installed on the device. Now in this case, I have installed only Ubuntu. The same way you can install Kali, Manjaro, Arch Linux, and more. Now lastly, to start Ubuntu again, execute this bash script. Now inside the Ubuntu shell, type vnc server -start. And then head over to the VNC viewer and reconnect to the VNC server. That's pretty easy, right? Just go ahead, try it on your Android device right now and let me know in the comment section down below. Now, if in case you like this video, hit the thumbs up down there and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and consider hitting the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching my video. This has been KS Kirel. We'll see you in my next one.